guys, welcome to Rupila Ruchi and I am here to show you the most requested recipe, which is a chocolate cake. So today I am going to make this chocolate cake with whole wheat flour. So let's get into the video. Now we will see the measurement of our ingredients which we are going to use in this cake. So here I have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour. You can also take maida. Then half a cup of oil, 100 ml of milk, half a cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, then baking powder, baking soda and vanilla essence. Also I have taken 6-inch round tin. So let's get started with the recipe. So into this bowl we will add first our oil, which is half cup of oil. Just have to take flavorless oil. Then into this we will add our powdered sugar. Make sure that you sieve your powdered sugar. So now I have added my powdered sugar. Now we will mix this with a whisk. Into this we will add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is my half teaspoon and I'll add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we will mix this again. So as our wet ingredients are ready, now into this we will add our dry mixture. For that, we will again sieve the dry ingredients. So here I have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Make sure whenever you take dry ingredients, you always sieve it so that it does not create any lumps in your cake. Into this we will add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Then we will add our baking powder, which we will add half teaspoon. So most important thing, whenever you take any ingredients in spoons, so make sure you always flat the ingredient and take this measurement. Then we will add baking soda, which is 1/4 teaspoon. So this is my 1/4 teaspoon. Always flat and take. This is flat. Now we will sieve this. So now we will mix this. Now into this we will add our milk. Add it little first and mix. Add rest of the milk. Mix it well till it forms a pouring consistency. So our cake batter is now ready. Now we will prepare our tin. So here I have taken 6-inch tin. We will grease this with oil. Let's take a brush and grease this. Make sure you apply oil by all the sides. Now onto this we will add our flour and grease it like such. I've greased this till. Now we'll pour our mixture into this. Now we will bake this in microwave for about 25 minutes on 150 degrees Celsius on bake mode. You can also bake this in cooker. Just remove the whistle of the cooker and bake it for 25 minutes on low or medium flame. So my cake is baked now. We will make this cool and demold the cake. Let's just cool this cake and then only demold it. So we will demold this. We will scrape the cake from sides. Now we will demold this. You can see how beautiful our cake is looking. Now we will decorate our cake. Here I have taken chocolate sauce. You can also take a chocolate sauce, or you can take Hershey's sauce or syrup as you like. I'll just pour this sauce on it. We will spread this sauce. You can see how beautiful our cake looks. So now I'll show you one design on this cake. So in this piping bag I have taken a fresh cream. We will cut the tip and we will make a design like such. Now we will take a toothpick and make such design. This is the easiest design which you can make. See? So our design is looking beautiful. Now on the other side we will add some rose petals. And on this we will add our chopped almonds. So our chocolate cake is ready. So now our cake is ready. We will just cut this cake and I'll show you how it looks inside. You can see so soft the cake is. Just look at it. So our chocolate cake is ready. I want you to try this recipe and let me know how you like this recipe. Also, you can suggest me if you want me to do more videos. If you like this recipe, do give it a like, comment and share my recipe. Also consider for subscription. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.